Do you have a fatty liver and you don't even know it? Fatty liver is a growing epidemic in our country, and the good news is, though, that studies have shown that there is something natural that you can do to help with your fatty liver. I'm going to share today talking about fatty liver and how to detoxify your liver specifically for this condition. Let's go through some of the signs and symptoms of having fatty liver. And the scary thing with fatty liver is that you don't necessarily know that you have it. It's called a silent killer for a reason, because unless you have a diagnosis and a scan done, you don't necessarily know that you're suffering with fatty liver. However, there are some other symptoms that you may be experiencing, like low energy. You could have some right upper quadrant pain. So when we take a look at the liver, this is where the liver is sitting in that upper right quadrant. So you can have some uncomfortable feelings when you do have fatty liver. When you take a look at your stools, they could be a lighter color and floating, and you could also have a lot of cravings for sweets and could be overweight and have difficulty losing weight because your liver function could be compromised to help with your metabolism. Now, some of the causes of fatty liver include a high fructose diet. So this is something that I've talked about in other videos. Make sure you check them out. Fruit sugars are high in fructose, as well as honey, agave syrup, so typically known as healthy foods, not so great for your liver health. Leptin resistance in the liver specifically, and if you don't know what leptin resistance is, please check out my other content. Leptin resistance is really important. It's a hormonal mechanism related to our brain and our state of being as to if we need to seek out more food, if we've got enough food. This is tied into all of our hormones as well, so really important to get that under control, especially when it's affecting the liver. And of course, toxicity as well is going to be implicated in developing that fatty liver. So my tips here to help to detox your liver for that fatty liver include doing some detoxification herbal medicines and doing part of a full body detox at least once per quarter. So 4 times a year, ideally, you're doing some detoxing. And one of my favorite herbs for fatty liver is milk thistle. And it helps to not only detoxify the liver cells, but also helps to generate healthy liver cells as well. And studies have shown that turmeric is an ingredient, especially with that concentrated curcumin, which is the active component of turmeric. Compared with placebo in this study, curcumin was associated with a significant reduction in liver fat content by a whopping 78.9% improvement in the curcumin versus the 27.5% improvement in the placebo group. So really important to note that yes, you can use that concentrated curcumin in a supplement with that turmeric to really help your liver health and to help with that fatty liver. For more information on the symptoms of liver toxicity that you really need to be aware of, please check out my video, Liver Detox, the 6 Warning Signs that your liver is toxic. I'll see you there.